Welcome back to the DYOR-AKAY Academy, where we explore the hidden connection between language, technology, and human expression. Today's lecture is Syntax and Machine Grammar. This is where the invisible rules of human speech meet the powerful algorithm of artificial intelligence. Let's begin with a simple thought. Imagine you said, "The cat chased the mouse." Now switch order. The mouse chased the cat. Same words, completely different meaning. That, my friend, is the power of syntax, the structure of language. Without syntax, words are just scattered bits. With syntax, they form a necklace of meaning. Women grasp syntax naturally. From childhood, we learn to arrange words in right order without ever sitting down to study grammar books. But machines, they need to be taught step by step. Syntax is one of the hardest lessons we have tried to teach artificial intelligence. In the early days of AI, researchers built rules-based systems. They programmed grammar like equation, subject plus verb plus object. For example, she eats rice, but here is the problem. Language is not that simple, but about questions like what is she eating, or passive sentence like rice is eaten by her. The more rules you write, the more exceptions you discover. It becomes a maze. Modern AI took a different path. Instead of coding rules by hand, we fed machines billions of sentences and let them learn patterns statistically. This is how deep learning works. The system does literally two comes next. When you type, "I want to drink a cup of," the AI suggests coffee, tea, or water. It has learned the pattern of human system syntax through exposure, like a child listening to endless conversations. But syntax is not just about prediction, it is also about parsing, breaking sentence into the structure. Check the line, "The boy who spoke to the shadow ran away." A machine must figure out the main subject is the boy, the class is who spoke to the shadow, and the main action is run away. Without parsing, the AI might miss the story inside the sentence. Of course, syntax in machine faces huge challenges. First is ambiguity. If I said, "I saw the man with a telescope," who had the telescope, me or the man? Second, complex sentence. Humans love to stretch language with clauses, pauses, and twists. Machine often lose track. And third, cross-linguistic differences. English follows subject-verb-object. "I eat rice." Japanese prefer subject-object-verb. "I eat rice," rice, eat. For AI to translate correctly, it must jungle the syntactic rules of hundreds of languages. So, how does machine grammar appear in our daily lives? Think about Siri or Alexa. When you ask a question, they rearrange your words into grammatical structures before responding. Or take Google Translate. It does not swap words from English to French. It rebuilds the entire syntax so the sentence makes sense. And of course, text generators like GPT can weave sentences fluidly because they have mastered statistical grammar at a scale to human could memorize. Here is the wonder of it all. Syntax is invisible. We never think about it when we speak, but for machines, it is puzzle that unlock communication. Every sentence you type, every command you give, every story you read online, somewhere in the background, an AI is passing, predicting, and assembling syntax into meaning. And that is the story of syntax and machine grammar. From rigid rules to deep learning, AI has journeyed a long way in learning how to talk like us. In the next lecture, we will move from structure to meaning, exploring how machine grasps semantics, the hidden layer of what words truly means. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the subscribe